try to shoot him.
What the fuck? So many people.
I don't see him. I damn far from you. I see.
Two different spot lah. Cheaper they chasing each other, sia. What the hell?
I'm just spawning on the fucking ground here, bro.
One person came out already.
Oh, that was damn stupid of them to come down.